Connor?
I don't know.
It's just y'all two.
I'm pretty sure I saw Benny and Selly.
Ah.
You're such a troll. I cannot.
You know what, bro?
Not say you still coming with the jokes, but yeah, me and Sally are next, bro.
Just
like
jokes.
This week, I will not put up with any more than that, bro.
You said what?
I said we're gonna see each other like this week.
Yeah, bro, go out there. Honestly, it's no mics, no cameras, a different life, bro.
I'm sure. I'm jealous, dog. Bro, your head looks mad skinny right now.
It took you that long from the last joke I said for you to come up with that.
No, bro, I was saying it in the comments. You just didn't see me.
Y'all are so annoying.
Yeah, bro. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I missed you. I went to a new barber and I went out of there.
It looks good though. You look like you're straight out of boot camp.
That's what I told.
I like it.
No, it looks good.
I'm wild out on here, bro.